have a quick question for you. Are you on Clubhouse? Do you know what Clubhouse is? If you don't, Google it. It's awesome. I'm Patty Allred. I'm in North Carolina, and I'm here to help you with your online business or help you get started with an online business. I give away free tips. I have a free group, and what I'd like for you to do now is click like if you like this. Click subscribe if you want to. Check out the recommendations that I have listed, and let's do this thing. Thanks for being here. All right, Clubhouse. It's this crazy new app that is for iPhone users only. It's been around a little over a year, as far as I can tell. It's New York based, but it is voice only, no pictures. So hey, if you get up in the morning and you need to get on and do something on the internet, but you've not gotten ready yet, don't worry about it. You can do it. Stay in those pajamas. You can. It's free to join, but you have to have an invite to be accepted inside. So what I did was I clicked on the app, downloaded it on my phone, went ahead and chose a username. I used my name at Patty Allred, PATTIALLRED. So go look me up, Clubhouse. It reserved my name. And then a sweet friend of mine messaged me and she said, hey, I invited you into Clubhouse. I saw where you signed up. I'm like, yes. So I got one invite whenever I signed up. Somebody said that you get 5. I don't know if it changes or exactly what it is. We'll find out about that later. Use your invite wisely. It has to be to someone that I think you are friends with already, that's in your contacts. But what is this app for? It is for people to use for business, meetings, marketing. As a consultant, you can have your own little private groups, and nobody can get in them unless you invite them. This is awesome. It also has a place where you can put information about you and your business. Some people have a long list. Some people have a short list. I haven't figured out how to get the long list yet, but I am on this, and we're going to learn this together. So what I want you to do, again, is click subscribe, because we're going to be going through this over the next few days and learning this out. What I understand is it starts with stories, and that's kind of the main chunk of this. And you have projects, individual projects that you can use for your teams. If you have different businesses, different teams, family members, anything, you can use this, and it can be private as long as you are on here and the other person's on here. Again, you have to be invited. But what you need to do right now, first thing, is go ahead and get the app, download it on your phone, pick out your username, and then get somebody to invite you in. Then hop back on here, and we're going to figure this out together, because that's what I do. I help women and a few brave men learn how to make money online. Check out my information below. I can't even talk, so see if I can do this. You can do this. My recommendations that I put in here. If you're looking to make money online, if you're looking to start up a business, even if you can't use the computer well, or you've never made a dime online, I'm here for you. Patty Allred. I'll see you in the next video.